Welcome back to this YouTube channel. This is the World Embassy FS, guys. On today's episode we're going to be talking on the Btcusd. Guys, remember last week we carried out an analysis on the Btcusd and the analysis was destroyed by the market, and I was happy with that because the market did not even fulfill the analysis at all. So that's why I was so happy and I did not lose any money on the market. So guys, today analysis on the BTC, we can still see that the BTC is currently doing what we know as retracing. The BTC is currently retracing. Remember, after an impulse, there need to be a correction, and which the BTC is currently doing. You can currently see when the market was created higher high and higher low, higher high. The market was corrected to create higher low. Then now it's creating higher high. So what is currently doing now? Creating a higher low, a correction. So after this correction, we're going to see a impulse to the upside, which is a new higher high, hopefully. So guys, we're going to move to the weekly time frame. I'm not going to waste time on BTC. But I know a lot is really going on BTC. So guys, as you can see, last week from here, or I think BTC market is still open. Yeah, still much more open. So you can see from here on the weekly time frame, the market broke this level here, this support level, which is now a resistance level. The market broke this support level to the downside. So guys, what are we expecting next? We're going to be expecting this market to go to up to this level here and continue selling to the downside, right? That is the law of trading. That's what we are expecting from this weekly time frame, and that can only happen if only, remember, we still have 1 day 12 hours for this market, for this candle to close. So, and this can only happen when this candle close like this below, get it right, when this candle close below this level like this, then we now know, okay, we start anticipating the this sell side, because at this point we're actually seeing that the sellers have more influence in the market than the buyers. So we start anticipating to continue selling the market to the downside. But guys, hold on, don't say very fast, because there's something I'm saying which happened previously on gold, when gold was somewhere here. Let me show you guys. When gold was here, it went up, created all-time high, right? So I remember at that time I took my fib from here to the upside. Was it there? Yeah, from there to the upside. And as you can see, the market reversed exactly from the 0.50 and 0.38 retracement fib to the upside to give us a new all-time highs. So guys, we are going to still apply that same principle, right? So where is the all-time low? This is the all-time low here. So what are we going to do now? We're going to take our fib from here, right, to this level here, right, to this level here. So guys, what are you currently seeing? We are currently seeing a market reacting on the 0.50 retracement fib. Powerful. You see that, right? The market is currently reacting on the 0.50 retracement fib, and which we can likely see a great push up from here. Remember, on this same level we had we're going to call this a support level. Yeah, on this support level there was a first touch here, the market rallied to the upside. Now the market is coming again to that level. Remember, this is the weekly time frame, to that level again, right? And their level lies the 0.50 retracement fib. So that we should put that at the back of our mind. While we scale down to the daily time frame. Yeah, I will skate out with the daily time frame. But before we go down to the daily time frame, there's another thing I would love to show you guys. Right? There's another thing I would love to show you guys, which is the trend line that was taken out. The trend line that was taken out, right? You can see the market took out the trend line. Market took out this trend line, right? Remember, we had touch 1, touch 2, right? And now the market is taking out the trend line here. So what are we going to do? We're going to go to the daily time frame. Remember, let's wait for that weekly candle to close. Right now, the daily time frame, remember, this level here lies the 0.50 retracement fib, and we can see in time past we had a multiple reaction on that level, which makes it a very strong support level. We had first touch, second touch, third touch. Remember, this is the daily time frame. And getting to this aspect now, we are still seeing the market reacting here. This week the market reacted multiple times. One, that's from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You see, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. The market has been reacting. Whenever the market gets to the level, the market push upward. Whenever the market gets to the level, market push upward. That really makes that level a very strong support level that is holding the market to the upside. So guys, what are we expecting next from the BTC USD, guys? So what are we expecting next from BTC USD? So guys, as usual, I'm going to also take you guys to show you guys a previous analysis that happened at this point. When you take your feet from here and you draw it downward, yeah, you can see, right? This was what held this market not to go to the upside. After this market created a all-time low, yeah, at this point it went up above this level. Remember, when the market was here last week, which when we get to the 4 hours, I'm going to explain more. So it created a W pattern at this point, and the market came up here. We expect the market to come back to this neckline and continue to go to the upside. But when the market got here, the market reacted on the 0.50 retracement fib, which broke the market to the what? To the downside, and the market came below this level here, retested on the level, and started bleeding to the downside, right? So what are we going to also do now? We're going to also apply that on this. We're going to take our fib retracement from here to here, right? And we can currently see that the market is reacting on 0.60. Yeah, 0.60 retracement. The market is currently reacting on what? 0.60 retracement on this level here. 0.60 retracement around there. So guys, what am I expecting from BTC USD? When we get to the 4 hours, I will show you guys, and I will want you guys to be very patient when trading the BTC USD. So when we go to the 4 hours, now on these 4 hours, you can clearly see the market from the 4 hours standpoint. You can clearly see a market that created a double bottom on that same phase 0.50 retracement fib. Market created a double bottom and a W pattern here, which broke the neckline. We are expecting the market to come to, which is here, right? So but before I do all this, I would love to go to the daily time frame and draw this trend line properly to this point here. Perfect. So I'm coming, guys. That's our trade. So guys, so now we'll move to the what? We move to the 4 hours time frame. Now the 4 hours time frame that we're expecting from gold. Only when you should take any trade on gold, brethren. Sorry, if I mean any trade, I'm not being specific. Only when you should take sell on BTC, sorry, not gold, what am I calling gold, on BTC, is when the market take out this level. From here now is when the market take out this level, we test on the trend line, the level and the trend line, we test on the trend line and continue bleed to the downside. Then you can take this sell, right? So but what can you do if the market, if that should not happen? Now from my perspective, right, remember the weekly what are they calling it, the weekly 0.50 fib retracement is stronger and more valued and more valid than the daily 0.50 fib retracement. Yes, that's what I want to tell you guys. So guys, looking at this breakout from this here, after we have a double bottom on this 0.50 retracement, and we had this W pattern here that moved the market to the upside, so I expect the market to come to the neckline. So what are we going to be watching out for? We'll wait for this market to form here, that if this did not happen, we'll wait for this market to come here, which is already reacting on, to push the market to the upside, right? Break this trend line, we test on this level, we test on this level, then you continue buying the market to the upside. So this is what I'm expecting from BTC this coming week. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and wait for the market to fulfill your analysis before you take any trade from the BTC USD. Trade safe and stay safe guys. I love you guys.